Hello everyone, welcome to this live reading session. We'll continue with AGI Greenpac annual report. So last time we had stopped on operational review section. So let's focus on performance and outlook. AGI Glasspack announced an investment of 700 crores to set up a new greenfield glass container manufacturing plant in Madhya Pradesh, increasing overall capacity by approximately 25%. Established a new subsidiary, Sun Reach Pack (FZE) in the UAE to enhance international engagement and promote exports. Recognized for excellence across various domains. Sustainability. Bronze winner at the 2024 International Green Apple Environments Award for Sustainable Packaging. Named Fastest Decarbonizing Packaging Products Company of the Year 2024 at the Suryacon Hyderabad, Telangana and AP Annual Solar Awards. Technology or innovation. Recognized as a Best Brand 2024 by ET for pioneering industry standards. Received the Innovation Excellence Award at the DIGO Annual Suppliers Conference 2024 for advancing packaging innovations. Honored with the Innovation Application of AI Award at the 7th edition Technology Excellence Awards 2025 by Quantic Business Media Private Limited. So it definitely shows that the company is focusing towards innovation and has achieved good amount of awards in that sector. CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. Best CSR Project Award at the National CSR Impact Awards 2024. AGI Closure launched three new specialty closure variants: Sunshine Series, Oak Series, and Alex Cap on Cap closures. This shows that more and more product innovation and launches are being done by the company. Utilized world-class anti-counterfeiting solutions such as UTC laser marking and multicolor digital printing for product authenticity and traceability. So solutions are implemented which have good amount of technological advancement. AGI Plastic started manufacturing specialized bottles for leading beverage companies and sustainable packaging solutions like the 5-liter RPET jar for the food industry. Increased the supply of PET bottles with a high percentage of recycled material to meet the growing demand for environmental conscious packaging. Launched Tatva, its corporate venture capital arm, marking a strategic investment in fostering innovation within the packaging industry and related sectors. Key business developments during the year under review. The company had submitted a resolution plan, the plan for the acquisition of 100% stake in Hindustan National Gas and Industries Limited corporate debtors under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. A letter of intent LOI dated 28 October 2022 was issued to the company declaring the company as a successful resolution applicant under CIRP with due authorization of the Committee of Creditors of the corporate debtor. The company had given its acceptance of the LOI and issued underlying performance bank guarantees as per the requirement of the LOI. After issuance of aforesaid LOI and some other regulatory approvals, certain litigations were initiated by various parties in various forums, including with the Honorable Supreme Court of India, pertaining to the corporate insolvency resolution process of Hindustan National Gas and Industries Limited. So, this paragraph highlights the company's motive to acquire Hindustan National Gas and Industries, and it had a keen interest to look after the LOI. On 29 January 2025, the Honorable Supreme Court, three judges bench, pronounced its judgment in a batch of matters titled Independent Sugar Corporation Limited, Girish Sriram Juneja, and ANR Civil Appeal Number 607/2023 and connected matters, which inter alia pertained to the accusation of HNGIL by the company under the IBC. In the aforesaid judgment, by way of majority opinion, the Honorable Supreme Court had held against the company's resolution plan to acquire HNGIL that had earlier been approved by the Committee of Creditors of HNGIL. The aforesaid judgment does not impact the existing operations and profitability of the company. Here is an important statement. The judgment by the Supreme Court hold the acquisition of HNGIL that had been approved by the Committee of Creditors of HNGIL. On 11 February 2025, the company had filed a review petition before the Honorable Supreme Court against the findings of the judgment. As on the date of approval of this director's report, the said review petition is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. So, a review petition, apologies, a review petition has been submitted at the time of approval of this report. Sorry. The board of directors of the company on 31 March 2025 has approved to set up a new container glass plant greenfield project in Madhya Pradesh. The project entails a capital expenditure inter alia, land and building, plant and machinery, etc. of 700 crores. The proposed capacity addition with the new plant is 500 tons per day. The commencement of commercial production in the new plant is expected in next 2 years. This is an important statement wherein the commencement of commercial production in the new plant is expected in next 2 years. So that is by FY27. Change in the nature of business. There was no change in the nature of business of your company during the year. Subsidiaries, joint ventures, and associate companies. During the year under review, the company incorporated two wholly owned subsidiaries, AGI Retail Private Limited on 27 August 2024 and Sunreach Bank FZE Dubai UAE on 28 October 2024. Accordingly, as of 31 March 2025, the company has two subsidiaries including one foreign subsidiary. The company had no joint venture or associate company during the year under review. The board of directors reviewed the affairs of the subsidiaries in accordance with Section 129(3) of the Companies Act 2023 Act. The consolidated financial statements of the company and all its subsidiaries have been prepared, which form part of the annual report. Please refer to the Consolidated Financial Statements section of this annual report. Further, a statement containing the salient features of the financial statements of the company's subsidiaries in the prescribed format AOC-1 forms part of the consolidated financial statements and hence not repeated here for the sake of brevity. The statements provide the details of performance, financial positioning of each of the subsidiaries. In accordance with Section 136 of the Act, the audited financial statements, including the consolidated financial statements and related information of the company and audited accounts of each of its subsidiaries, are available on company's website. These documents will also be available for inspection in the Investors section of the company's website. The policy for determining material subsidiaries may be accessed on the company's website at the link. Dividend. Your directors have recommended a dividend of rupees 7, that is 350% per equity share. Last year rupees 6, that is 300% per equity share on each equity share of face value rupees 2 for the financial year ended 31 March 2025, amounting to rupees 445.29 crore subject to deduction of income tax at source as applicable. The dividend payout is subject to approval of members at the ensuing annual general meeting of the company. The dividend will be paid to those shareholders whose name appear in the register of members or list of beneficial owners as furnished by National Securities Depository Limited and Central Depository Services India Limited as on 22nd August 2025. Hmm. Let's skip the part of transfer to reserves, deposits, director and key managerial personnel, auditors and auditors report, conservation of energy, research and development, technology absorption, foreign exchange. Okay, okay, let's move to the next part. Okay, this is statutory reports. We are just looking into the most important parts. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go towards the index. Check which is the important part. Okay, so we went through management discussion and analysis as well as chairman and managing director's message. Uh, Director report, report on corporate and business responsibility, sustainability report. Let's look into the financial statements. Mm, yeah, standalone balance sheet. So non-current assets, property, plant and equipment, 1,55,269 in lakhs. As compared to last year, it was 1,48,591 lakhs. Okay. So I think our business analysis of the company is done. So next time we'll move towards the other